Hi, are you a U.S. citizen who is sponsoring their spouse for a green card? If so, you're going to want to hear what are some really important things to remember when you're filing your petition. Hi, my name is Maleeha Haq. I am an immigration lawyer practicing in Newark, California, and I wanted to make a quick video to talk to anybody who is thinking of sponsoring their spouse for a green card. So of course the first step is to file the form I-130, and when you're filing that form you are requesting that the U.S. government recognize that you are in a real marriage with your spouse. The U.S. government is very concerned about marriage fraud when it comes to filing for a green card for your spouse. So they look at the evidence that you submit with that form about your relationship with a very fine-tooth comb. So as most people know, that marriage with a U.S. citizen is one of the strongest, not the easiest, but maybe the smoothest way of getting a green card. And so the U.S. government is very concerned about fraud in this category. And so it's very important to support that petition with as much evidence as possible about your relationship. Of course, this can include pictures, this can include any kind of joint documents that you have with your spouse, such as a joint bank account, joint credit cards, a lease showing that you guys are living together, and any sworn statements from your family and friends, any evidence of gifts or texts that you have exchanged with each other. So as much evidence as you can gather about your relationship is really important to give to immigration so that they can understand that your marriage is a real one. And keep in mind that this marriage fraud issue or the genuine nature of your marriage issue can come up at any point in the proceedings. So even if you already have your green card interview, things seem to be proceeding smoothly, the officer says, you know, everything is fine, they can still investigate your relationship. A lot of times we've heard from clients who have had officers come to their house even after the interview just to check that the couple is actually living together, that the couple is actually married, or they have called the couple's friends or relatives who have given statements just to check. Sometimes that issue about the genuineness of a marriage has come up when a person has already gotten their green card and they are now applying for citizenship. It's not unheard of for USCIS officers to go back and investigate that the marriage was in fact real at the time that the person got their green card. So this issue of the real marriage is very important for immigration, and so it's important for you to make sure that when you're filing that I-130 petition, that it is properly supported with a lot of evidence, as much evidence as you can gather to support it. If you have any questions and you are thinking about sponsoring your spouse for a green card, if you have any questions about what kind of evidence to submit or what you should show immigration, feel free to give us a call, 415-895-0661. We'll be happy to help you out. All right, take care.